Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help FRM and CFA students to clear the exam in the first attempt. Now this video is a part of the FRM FAQ series, okay? And today I'm going to address a question that how many hours do you need to prepare for FRM exam, primarily or FRM Level 1 exam? The answer to that question is primarily around 250 hours depending upon your educational background. It could change slightly, but on an average 250 hours is what is needed for you to prepare for the exam. Now how come 250 hours? So any exam that you go, you have two parts to it. The first part is reading the content, understanding the content, and the second part is solving the question back. So if you bifurcate this for the FRM Level 1 exam also, so you have 60 chapters, okay? If you're going to read the content for 60 chapters, say for example reading through Swagger book or going through the videos, okay, on an average it is going to take you around 100 to 120 hours to go through the entire thing properly. That means revising also, okay? Plus, if you look at question bank solving, okay, there are 60 chapters. If there is on an average 30 questions for each chapter and 2 minutes per question that you are ideally you would dedicate for that. So on an average per chapter, only question solving would take 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. So 60 hours for 60 chapters is straight away gone. Plus, you would also have to do assessment of the question. That means whatever quiz that you have solved, whether the question was right or wrong, what happened in that quiz, you need time for that also. Plus, you would also be solving sectional tests. That means entire book wise tests. You would also be solving mock papers. So on an average, students should solve around 4 mock papers, and each mock paper is like 4 hours. Okay, just to go and appear for that mock paper. So that is like around 16 hours already gone. So if you look at that number, okay, then it almost comes to around 100 hours. Okay, 60 chapters, 60 hours only for that chapter solving, plus 40 hours for mock papers, sectional test, important concept quiz, analysis of the test, everything basically around in the 40 hours. So on an average 100 hours. And the rest 20-30 hours, the extra, is where you would keep for contingency. Primarily, you might have to read the chapter again and again, certain chapter which you feel difficult. You might have to go and solve the question bank for certain particular chapter again, solve some difficult questions for difficult chapters for other which is available in the market. So those 20-30 hours is primarily for that. So overall, 250 hours is an average that is needed by the students to prepare for the exam. It involves 120 hours of proper reading of the content, around 100 hours of solving of the content, and primarily the last 30 hours as a revision, repeat, solving and all of that. So overall 250 hours is what is needed for you to clear the exam. Okay, I hope this video helps you in your preparation. If you want me to do a video for a particular query that you might have, please put it on the comment section. I would love to create a video on the queries that the students might have. Thank you very much, guys.